For your mama, Hamama Quabe, Brasso, so Mamudia Maudo, son, someone Yake Kessi, and no area, ye banner, the Babes Sumo, and July bosom de toso eduno enkono twediam ponyankrom pombase ya domata monon kumachi waye ya dom meneso no yatisi monon nsam no yenye bia boabo no ama samufo pani de bema mode ma ene se kan fro soro ase nyina wayi de afri mu de dikaditie ebraso se ye de bremo nsam no na poso ni mampani da John Dramani mama ene atugya se obi bia obepa no so onye adwuma wo na banya ebeba fufuro mu no waya no ene wone wo de pa behwe so bia be dimraso so na kanemra swegafo bi no mo MPP amanyokonum so akomo abom sekua sese de omo so mo ba betiesi montre so no mo abontoa de ama Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia abusiafo ayemone sam sa chechefo mo kira de awe teacher training colleges awodo no nyina etifie sese no mo kire se omo de ne ekomji ya ne meye sa ban fane nsa nkwankwose eye krata na se a nya de omo ko adwuma na ko adwuma kina ena kane pani ano edom kesia no wo mraswe fiem de atugya se yewra alankojo kirematen he won sechi be ye da entese won sayem wo mra MPP amanyokunum ne mu eno matetu no ma ebe cap amanyokunu ho na enema nsipi ensita abzafo weni afoforo pinu a ene yakekese ene se kase ba bia wo bia na wiei ye ba ne de aba besommo ye fa sedama OCP fertilizers no a ene na no makuafo ye de peti ye no ba ye ne so na so doso e de ama ye Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for ye so ma bia opese okoso bia no ye de wo cloud internet Ghana hey uti ya no pay ene ewie ya internet ni gira so no cloud internet adama ma mi abe wase watrase wota no so patrapa new site hodomo ya de no ye se ye nto ya de sunsum ya de a ya to de ama no bra no fedru nkan Express Group for so adama ye tu kwan ye kwa bruchi akwa kosia de ye kwa bruchire akwa koye adwuma ye kwa bruchire ya kwa kotena honum Express Group na de ye ko 3A Herbal Center e 3A co capsules abegwa so akoko no asie tu amasie ahye 21st clinic so ye ko honum am ye siateka ntini nyina won mahwe asiesie e de amaye abusua enyumeko wenum na ebo echi do mobo ya donti amaye vemu a bia a wo bia na wiei yetimi abane aba besom wo medin e de nana ya obo amali bia boga abusua fo yenye brɛ na fe nsam no yenkomo ankasa emfa emamo ya de mo hyase de friend isi amanyoku na tena ye wo mo enam ene ho apaso afia ba esoso ena yedie na no memende atwa mu na chese ni nyina e wo tamala bonte so a ndisi amanyoku no ya amamre ni amane na omo campaign se be ye fiefiem se ye market to market house to house room to room omo epa hontuma e wo tamala bonte so na honum ena mampani da John Dramani mama dia tuga se obi bia ya so don for ya dom na ketrema da budwemo gede mafusane na si antiate nkabone bia na eja no mpetutua no mpesu na we de teta we de so na Ghana force de tumi mani bio ebe ne be president ya wa wo be minister be de echire wa wo be DC ya na se obeye MC ya obeye wadwene so obeye akakabensam aba beye niamo ho sam na bam no oso obehwese mra ene ubedi akwakosi ase a obi bia obeye adwuma na bam bio no obehwese obeye nkrofo a ombebu nkonta na omadi nokre ede amagana madehye mampeni da John Dramani Mahama.
Our last opportunity to save our democracy. Our youth have lost faith in our democracy. If you read the Afrobarometer survey, you will find that trust in democracy is at its lowest in our history. And this is our last opportunity to salvage our democracy. So it is not going to be business as usual. For those who wish to serve in the new administration, know that you're coming to serve in an administration of modesty. You're coming to serve in an administration of honesty. You're coming to serve in an administration of hard work. And you're coming to serve in an administration of accountability. And so as we hold the previous government accountable for wrongdoings. If you serve in the John Mahama government, the next John Mahama government, if you are accused of wrongdoing, you will also be punished and held accountable. Because it is going to be, as they say in the Akan language, Aba Yadibo Techino, Enwa and Yadibo Boban. And so if you want to serve in this administration, you must be prepared to be accountable. We're going to launch our manifesto next month in August, before the end of August, and we're launching it in Central Region. So Central Region, when you go back, start preparing. We're coming to launch the manifesto. And when we launch the manifesto, there are a lot of interesting things there. We will spell out the blueprints that we intend to pursue to change the fortunes of our country. But let me just mention a few, and I think Nana did. Our women are the majority of our population. Now, women dominate the commerce, trade, agriculture, agro-processing sectors of our economy. And yet sometimes our mothers and our sisters need just 1,000 Ghana cedis to be able to use as capital for their business, and they are not able to get it. And that is why Nana said, we're going to set up a National Women's Bank. It is going to have its branches in the markets, in all the places that women do business. Your bank, your women's bank is going to be there, and it will be responsible for giving you small credit so that you can grow your businesses and be able to look after your families. We are going to work hard to remove the obnoxious double track system so that all our children can go to school at the same time and close from school at the same time.
Abzafonti we mampeni da John Dramani Mahama yeti ne nkeni na tamale abonte semra na party ne ya mamreni amane no mo campaign wo mo apa hontuma woni a ebedi animu wo mo soso ebedi akire wo mo soso a eja dantamu ko animu ko awo ko akire ko awo ko bie no ne nyina na ochechire mu de akire ye no na NDC amanyoko campaign launch ya ekoso wo tamale abonte so no na kane titire ni a na otu NDC amanyoko na no wo enkrapompede Yera adeko kasoso dia soso se baby omani ya ba bedro sese no Ghana for yeni bibia di ye ho no ebra so se MPP amanyuku eseso mo niema efri abemo na NDC for ba be yen hye papa de niema begu akom emo meisi kasam etoto ye de ma ye na niema boa aginsem a yeto a ento no niema timi aba for ma Ghana for nyina yensa etimi asoso bi Yera chairman adeko kansem ni.
The lunch was very good. It was well done, well attended. And the message was also very there. I moved to Igania. I'm saying, I moved to Watia. Watia Ebuakoso. I moved to Petro Buakoso. I moved to Rent Akoso. I moved to school area. I moved to I moved Papa I investment over the years. Investment here, Ashi. I'm on a haircut. It's a bit piano. The next 30 years. 30 years, then Papa, if you only I'm sure it's a Kumasi, moves, photos, electricity. I'm sure it's a Muna, the city, and by Musu, and by name it, I can go on and on and on and on and on. Until she said the country is bankrupt. The country is bankrupt. Singapore Island. Almost see a debt, $2.88 million. So with all this in the basket, we need to come and rescue Ghana. We need to reset Ghana. As I would train and need a comma, banning, all the things that I've alluded will come back on track. One, we are telling you that we are going to make sure that government expenditure, we will cut government expenditure. We will make sure that the government does not borrow reckless. We are going to run the government with a lean government, not more than 60 ministers. And we've got about 120 plus ministers, plus Angus on and those kind of things. A cost and not yet for expenditure a cost. We are going to cut freebies to ministers. Even to DS, if you know of impact, we want to even to Okano smart to what Noma 2. We are going to have a 24-hour economy.
Sompa.
Not the economy to boost the growth.
Abzanfonti we ye kanete trenia na otu ndisi amanjuko no won krapompodemantam chairman Adekoka na yete nken afeyan famo friend ndisi amanjuko na tena ye na ye famo enko NPP amanjuko num na mrase adwani obo mrase gefie ma desia also me abaton peso ya so no bolo sechi mensa bonsu na anu ya na edom kese wo Ghana mrase gefie no na ye kendifo a wodano no de afutu akwa maninua alankojo kirematen kane soafo a no hwe maye mfidi nyuma ne dwede ho nsensem a wate ne ho afiri MPP amanjuku num akwakwati movement for change wo sre no se be bi o my Ghana aba bedro sese no obi bia ni hono mo a wate ne ho ate amanjuku ama na gina se MPP ene NDC nto be sre no ada se usechi be odenti se wonsa yem ena chese edua ben susu na etwie yire se denia woni nipa na medie nipa na be fom wo etidi asie bia no yera alankojo kiremate wonyem na NPP amanjuku no a yetwa ne mfuruma tum obo ne bra nyina wom no won samra no mfa ne ntuma emebo party ne dia no no monya adwumaden emankunim emra enfama MPP amanjuku no yero sechi mensa bunso adesre ene na futu a wade ma alankremate ni
too late because it be late but still not too late anybody say ade chia de sen nbe bi atimi sesa na dwen minimum akasa se mi pen se mi mum de me kan tesi a me yiri se ne awoye no emwa ono emu nu kwa na emwa no why because you see they say who they want unga to akoti party also your movement I'm sure say your movement dia anya dia o be develop party structures dia o baby so I'm not going to register a party omo the parties ebo omo ntoa parties in intino omo na msifo omo party machinery or constituency or regions no ye to aba omo so no munya they say wo ya nkura ase bi sori a ho manfo ye ekọ animu no bo ekọ animu no afi nipa bebre benya ntiase no na mo afi na mo say ya yemfum so now your constitution is any ACI no. We've made the constitution for party political structures. And until constitution they can say so obey president could ministers at least 50% from parliament. Yes, the members of parliament are going Sompa. That being the case, no. So uni party how na go fa no. See be na worker. Ebi na woka say he's attacking MPP. What to be man say no kure say no kure. What you say? Yes. Say ojiri say NDC nzo ye party papa. Ka no ono akoye dom meboa. The first say won ko NDC no kire say you don't also believe in NDC. Nti ye den ya wonam no betutu makoma ko bi so amane wo. Uwie na say odi nkunima which is a far-fetched possibility anyway. I wouldn't say possibility, but probability. A far-fetched probability. That's how we unimpo be Nampenia. I hear for now go more as ministers. Say or how more 50%. You can take 60, you can take 50 plus 1. So what to be a money in Tino? Now MPP for say MPP ni be a major post. And this is for what to be a money and this is near major poster. How do you form your ministers? So up initio that effort will be an exercise in futility. What I say? From get-go, no, I didn't know you know, see, baby, Satisfadia, I didn't know, won't retrace who steps back. But sometimes, if I could do baby, or son a chair, so I engage, you know, now could be a memoir. And media, I believe people will be talking to him. So, Obekaya, yes, you know,
a vice president position.
Because I'm saying, the two abam pribua, but we never winning. So, nti nanka yenchi shenanka la meye running meet to Belmia. Can you imagine saying ala ne running meet to Belmia ka party no ka sinin ki bube juafa. What I say? There will be very strong bond, a united front. But abasa me na me suru say corner
Observanti way honorable Oseche Mensabun Sumrasibe Jeni or Womrasibe Fima this year was some Yabaton Persia Sonanu ya na oye Dom Kessia ne Kendi for na answa and watch and on your mind ya dubuache din komo wadiache be jumedi so or some perfect some television so no and was also abo piano akwakubusa said you be eka a debate ye be vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia e debate judge mama sum e so chese your mama so nyena dwene se obeso so na eno na honorable say Mensa Bunso ye ne say sama for be cash and so answer na vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia e ba be mampani abedi echire na no okoka bi e ma mampani da John Dramani mama be na no say ono eye Bawumia no ni president da eno otete wonu ma wokeke kan yope nti se ne Bawumia ba be di vice president ne say akade na one ne ba be ye pa ofi senka ne kwa so ano no senka omubesia na nke atoto wo ma no ya hwe omutirimpo ene omunsusu a wo mo wo ede emom yonobo Oseche Mensa Bunso
okay bi na all criticizing no samre no ye running mate to Joma ha mbeka chere say wonye president da ntime no wonye debate mebo so wonye president and wonye debate. What it meant was that obi abeka na say bia no only level to wonye debate and he presidential candidate bi so that is the na say on debate amahini asem I think it was June or so last year. Na ento abama Bawumia. And na me kase me hwe ni mu se beto abama Bawumia. Was it last year na 2022 mpu? Na me kase ye hwe ni mu se beto abama Bawumia. Beto abama Bawumia. NDC for months mo kenyina na se economy ni manage ni yi. Tina me kase me hwe ni mu se Sompa beba. Na ebe se debate beba between the two of them, Bawumia and John Mahama. And I make I say, my sister station back was on I think it was June last year. I make I say, me sure say do her. Sir, didn't do her. John Mahama would never debate. If anything, yeah, because on debating that. I'm a Kwame Chromatic secret beside sad. Then I'm the Kwame market on the wall. Some say economy no. So if there should be a debate, 10 years, didn't in my year and sir, and they do we. So na presidential candidate oba parliament may debate. In any event, who is there in parliament that Bawumia pose a Canada won't debate, you know? Who is there? Me have majority leader no. Say the main come from to me home. But Atu was the spokesperson on finance for the minority. Now don't go so in the shadow of no or come of finance committee no. But only you kasa. And I mean, in winding up the debate, or either on the budget or the president's message on the state of the nation, because I told you, sit down on a big good. They had none, and sit down on the 1 hour big dining.
Honorable Oseche Mensa Bunso ni etene kan ne no akire o man ne yadubu ache ye ne so ntimi mane ni nkomo ni nyina en sore wa bra so am interchange wo mo bibi so kakra mfa nkire yen eno nti Honorable Oseche Mensa Bunso kasa kakra e de fa so am interchange ya ye hu se Rango Company Limited for ejina so a wo mo yeso adwuma no
terms of traffic pa no komase hade ena magazine ni nti no so am is a honor traffic war chain even I wanna go. So any emra swami eme hodie then I told the president also is that what it is. He called for the plans. Now I'm saying no was in Yebe. Joe Kai say 2018 Sompa president back come say Yebe rally be by address be no be kan ho say Yebe sa de no. Ntina ye piska sikano ye nsa nka ye to aba ne wiye ye 2022 ansana ye nsa eka sikano ana ni nyina ye se eba ye ho adwuma eba ye ho adwuma nti ba cabinet me ke kan ho nsema but we try it here no 2022 June and a SMBP cabinet. Emma afi yɛka ɛma ne si July 2022 and afi loan agreement in the parliament my approve ye na ya approve ye no ye loan na ye sign will be a contract agreement yeah contract agreement no and so a pass that was July. I think the first one was July 17th for the loan and the contract agreement in about 19th na 22nd and the 22nd July and a parliament approve both the loan and the contract agreement in
Honorable say chairman Sabunsu kane majority leader ene wayamrasbe jeni o wamrasbe gefima desia also ami abato mpesua so na yetene kene nyina ye na no pay emra manhene yedubu achetena sia no mawiase nyina ache wade ache bi adwumedie so na one no atwetwe sankomo wi afia demo eko vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na tena ye na NPP kane mrasbe jafo binum na sese di o maka omo abom se yefrukromu ade a omo se emfa ho se na party ni yen tutuye akwakoto aba akwakoyi frankatu for dia mamanyuku no omo ebinom yi omo animu a omo anta vice president echi no omo ekota yera lankojo kirematen ene Kennedy ohine Japan echi no omo se trini ka enchese baby for me fankudi omo nyina e komo abom no omo ababe ye adwumaden de abo vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia se be no obekoso a ekutatumi mu de ama osunu kogoko MPP amanyuku no onobo Benjamin Aye eye kanemra sebe jenia no womra sebe gefima desia ewo apa denchira west abaton pesua so ewo atoe mantemu ebuzia ne nkoma one ye boye kakrani
but tiny nyina ne se efi se ebraso se party obia na ho keka ewo fom bia etutua na mo ma obia ho keka ebasoro se de beya come December elections no MPP betumi ewini elections no na Dr. Bawumia abeyo mampeni ewo memu na yenya majority season so ewo parliament na yedwendwe hu se anamo ba ko ne se former members of parliament yefi MPP no se yetumi kekan ye hobu na yetu anamo bia ese efata betumi aboa ma party ne kan ko no ewie peye no yetu sanamo no enama yefi sanamo tui ase to the extent say yenim say ye put your collective experiences no together ye the better party yechi na se ye call down to your former constituencies. See, you because one of the challenges are so far or party in Cancun is a party kakra or form. And apart from a party, no party members need to feel say ya sideline or ya ignore and pay the constituency. Now MP now or other than Olusu ni seat nintino. Now both the new executives are by no a sideline and followers. So no most of you okay. Some say yanka hu bi dia mo be ya munyamie hwe e ko ni sa no so a emwa party no tifi se braso ti e dia hu jim pa obi a wodi MP pen pa de do onya de kra ne constituency home no anya hwe pa no 25% following there obewo na say say o ni followers na for mo nya hwe ye say no so ko ti o mo tina say okay mo so be ya munyamie hwe at the end of the day no e party no suffer, and this is one of the reasons here if you say braso
Observe ye mraswe jeni o mraswe je fima this year war upper denchira west abaton pesua so atoe mantem no mo honorable Benjamin Kofi Aye na yetene nkenti kana mraswe jafo a no mo MPP amanyuku no mo a ene wo mni mraswe je fiemu bio ye bimokra yi wo manim kodi alanchiremate echi ekodi honorable Kennedy ohine Japan echi no wono mo echese trinka enchese baby for me fankodi ntomo kabum no mo aye campaign den e dia ma vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia afeya famonko ochehene na himfie osaje form hotel for penny na odinchemu ebase enwoma bia edi adencheche na ebo patabribrisa pasoche o social media no so se ai mampeni na dodanko akufod ne na busua ansana oba bedia de ese mampeni no matwintim nwoma bi so mo pese o mo fanyansa kwan bi so entrekese ne frakadam kwa bi so na aban ejapade wo mo efom no se brato esesa ne nyina de ekogu achemache mafia no eye adwuma na saa eye ngoma na di ahimu a social media no so a kese nkomo de amanfo de edi bi pa na nanu adanhyiamu ekoso ewo achemabu akwa ema na nanu matira nkunyane adehye a efi achemne ne mpotam nyina eko eye nhyiamu na sebi ehonum na ochehene osaje for moti ofure pani echechire mu sesa ngoma no a omato din se japade document no a eno na amanfo bi de ya politics etu futuro gu amanfo ni no nokra bi ni sa ngomanim na entimi nkosi so da se oman na japade abusuanko bi be sore so omode omofum ne se brato asese ne nyina de akwakogu omu krom wabra oman no adehye akasoso ewo mu bie osaje for moti ofure pani nsam ni
yeah. From 2016, yeah. I'm not Dubai, yeah. All the guys have been now, yeah. I see my agenda, yeah. I see my Japan, yeah. So yeah, yeah. I want to know myself, yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to be, yeah. I got a Japan, about yeah. All kinds of yeah. Not possible. Yeah. I hope you sound. Yeah. I want to, and this is a man in the radio. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yeah. I'm this person. Yeah. I'm telling you. Yes, give me up our power. Yeah. Now, before you, I want to much more. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me the couple. Yeah. I mean, we are the same. Yeah. We are not like I for that. You're fighting now. Now we are couple. Yeah. Before you are this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Kazania, let's tell me about now. Yeah. Yeah. What's that? Oh, Kazania. Only to tell about it down, yeah, and got a walker, yeah, yeah, yes, I say, yeah, yeah, but two of them out here, yeah, what guy, yeah, two of them out here, yeah, what's sanity, yeah, yeah, but yeah, yes, yeah, never die, let's die, or smell, yeah, yeah, and push, yeah, but the yeah, yes, yeah, but yes, yeah,
Dafonti weye ayo chehene osaje form weti ofure penny ne yete ne nke weye mra na matran nkonya ewo achemabu akwahia no mo egunsa no mo asrasase ya mponyina mo ase onto no nsupa emfangu oman so emebinka ochema nyina enana ochehene ede anu yi ebase sansem no ejapade document ya edi ade ncheche wo social media no so no krani mu a ensese yesoso so na sofo penny a woda Evangelical Presbyterian Church Ghana echodi friend say EP Church ano ewo Amenuvevo congregation de atuya say ohwese ne enema sikika kono a kwan bia so he ekwanimu abie enimu atene enimu ada honom ya amanfo twomu mutai ne betene koyepe etwe straw de kotu legbusumtwem enum ni nyina topia wote wokroma say ebogu so se de kra no a mampeni da John Dramani mama ne ndisi amanyuku no omo enam kwamu a omo saso eba ba mu bio manimu sam se Ghana fo yebeto santene wandogodogo la German prakoso Miguel atwaba December bosom de to so nsum afimu na eno na very Reverend Professor Francis Abeveku ede etuga se bibia di ho adanse se ne niamasitie se ne niamasi ko se ne oman na ho kire ene ahopapa abamu no ganafo agiatum asinkete se yebesesa osoro no ne nkrata nyina ne bibia akwakogu kwayem no akwakoka o amachiniye no yakwakogiregina se na odisa ansami tudwa no ena mrasebegani o mrasebege fiema desia ewo kan kwe no for baton pesua so onobo Teresa Lade awuni soso no ede eso so say
when our nation has gotten to without the right leadership of the church, we will go wayward. Amen. It is our prayer that even as we go into the elections here, the church will support us. The church will lead us. It is my prayer that God will direct the church to help build this nation, because it's about time that the voice of be heard in Ghana. It is the time for a rescue mission, and it will take the church to lead that cause. I want to assure you that even as we approach elections, I am going to stay away from anything that will break election violence. I am going to stay away from anything that will not promote God's work. And I know by the special grace of God, this nation will be reset and will be put on the right path. It is my prayer that you support me and support His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to turn the fortune of my nation around. Thank you for this opportunity.
Observe to way I am Rasbe Jadin or woman Rasbe Fima this year walk and queen of about Persuasunti EP Safonefa a one in Persuasuna or more bar for dear at the Esidine or so form by transfer and in a bumpotemono on your baby edinity atonomoton safrenoa or the sans me to Jama soft so no echa namoto so say a year so pass said Denia MPP bidding cuckoo ewo afi abatunum afi former and court Roman Safunum na sofo power or that Roman Asafo no Okufodia Bontenso ewe Premantam Eastern Region Bishop Dr. Joseph Frifajekum and na ode esoboba MPP amanyukuni MPP aban se asomo nwini omanyi omo nwini mu adehye ho na omo hu obia moba bebi oman na ba bedru sese no kese omo mu wa ba mu sene omo sie didia mo mofo edoko sese no bo ada sen eche ne enkoda di mu pilolo a omo nwini obia onwini adwendwene ya oni atete ni atepo ya amanfo FM no hadwene pa or the answer to Jawabra na St. Mary Vocational Institute wo asaman kese ya wo premantemo no mo eya kwankogya som de amankwada wo mo akwakogye entity ohonomo na Bishop Dr. Joseph Frifajekum the answer to ja.
To talk about other challenges that we have. Other challenges that we have is more with the Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education. You know, we have, as a mission school, not only the Catholic Church, but the religious bodies that have established schools. We have tried several years to have the Memorandum of Understanding, signed, endorsed by past governments. Up to now, even including NDC and NPP, the present and past government, they have not been able to, sign this document with us. And every now and then, when you ask, they form a committee, they bring the documents and nothing. This present government, the Minister of Education, present Minister of Education, has still not endorsed that. We don't understand why. And they always try to give reasons. They try to, we will call a meeting with this, and by the time we realize their term of office is expired. We can't understand this attitude when there's supposed to be serious collaboration as far as education delivery is concerned. So this is one of my concerns. But if it becomes necessary, well, we will see how best to, as it were, confront the situation. Because it is we who voted them into power, and they must also collaborate with us. When they have power, it does not mean that they should ignore what the others are saying, civilians are also saying. We have a right to appeal to them, to talk to them. Parliament is representing us. They must also help us. But the Minister of Education really listens to us. He's not listening to, they are dragging their feet. And all I can say is that they will not sign it, he will not sign it, and until then, we have the elections and whatever it be. But
Observe to way a Bishop Dr. Joseph Frifajekum and that Roman Asafo Kuna no war a year Kufuria Bonte so Premantemo and yet in OCP fertilizers na a boy Chidomaway and my baby will be an year Bania Babasum war. Na OCP say and no Kiafua, Mado, Mapam, na Assassino, Mobabe Chassie, not Modiamo no Bayeno, a year OCP fertilizer, and what's all the petition. Canena no Moma ye, a do Sabri and sooner to say no a ena nanom ado apamahye ama asase no mbedua no bae no a na eja wo madwendwen ne tipaye na OCP bae no onya OCP kakra bi na de wo de petimfudie no so a o asase no emfa no ne keto a eye obeti se yebura bag bebrebe na wotie se ye mo so a bag bebrebe na wotie se ye bayire na wudua so a kese boto ena wo de sin we ye OCP fertilizer ho asem ne ye kan ye OCP NPK 15 and ye OCP NPK 10-20-10 ne nyina de wudua bia wo de pete so a ebeboa wo be bia tonto agrochemicals ne ma bia so no obenya bi ato 0555909437 0555909437 now ne OCPA din komo Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for yeso pese utu kwan ko my best so ekoye adwuma okoye business okosua de o de o kwa akotena ho okope business partners na no maba be adwuma o pese okobo ani akohoma ewo hono a Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for se brei na yemwao ne yemfa wonko o pese okọ Canada, US, Australia, Germany, France, Malta, Portugal, New Zealand, Serbia, and UK. O may be our pesa okobiano Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for se branium phone call. Se oye nursing, oye midwife wo, oye pharmacist, lab technician, oye doctor, oye jumo bank, oye teacher ni, oye kuyeni, oye mason, oye carpenter, oye labor, oye watchman, oye driver ni. Just say you may be a oye bia ya o pesa utu kwan de. They also don't hobe bono no do utu kwan no. Aye Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for Frey 0539 858766 0539 858766 na any nkomo cloud internet say o hweme ewo eye social media no so say YouTube say Facebook na for ye stream wo hweme a cloud internet adama energy internet no one to no pa ma se bi emenyinsen ya so cloud internet o internet na de ano hye pa gina so sa utua sika kuma bi ni ama bebiri na de brazo na wo de TikTok cloud internet no for 02446019 0244601933 ma mi abe say wi watena se o tano so patrapa new site hono na yade ne die hu de ano den de abusia se wo mo kra de o ma bre wo ho na mo twen so owu mefa wonko no ma mi abe say ye ne kakra wi na fo ne kire wo matena ye ewo eye tano so patrapa new site hono ne mfa dru nkan yade ne bedwane e de afri ne pedue ne mako wo se ye twe yi wa bra wo mfa sekan kan wo sickle cell yade ni nyina esusu obetutu ase prostate cancer, prostate enlargement oba ne bema mo pa wono chese eno kra de ode woro ne mpreja ya ma mi abe no o se aban e kasa oti aban no so no ye tini di odi mi obi ani timiti aban e de say yade o koma mi abe ho 0243345392 0243345392 Express Council ye do tu kwan akoma bia opesa wokoso so opesa wokosua de wa brochire opesa wokoye adwuma wa brochire opesa wokonsrahwe wa brochire chese wonya visa bi kra na wope ba bia to tikiti a ne nyina Express Group for se brane yenye mfama opesa wokoye masters opesa wokoye PhD opesa wokoye MPhil opesa wokoye first degree wa brochire na opesku a opesa so nya scholarship ebi wono kra no a omutimi ma full time scholarship wa untia one city kra Express Group nko a ene yeti abrofo ne kasa etimi eyesa ne ma ne de mawo yedo ko Canada yedo ko US yedo ko UK yedo ko Australia yedo ko New Zealand yedo ko Germany yedo ko chese o ma beso a yedo ko no akwa ye adwuma ye wo Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout no so ena Kaneshi First Light so no ye wo hono mo Tema Community 18 last big golf filling station no encha wan so be hu ye 0249 000448 0249 000448 na fe 3A Herbal Center ya de 3A co capsules abega so a koko no ase etu ama asiashe 0546107107 21st clinic yes o siatika ntini no satwetwe tutu a fonichire honomo na yentu ase emfamo ye doctors e wo mfidie wo nu papa ye de itu ase de ama wo Kumasi ahwa overseas ye be Alpha Radio enche ho 0540311311 on mizo ne 5G no iguso aye bobo onya bi enomo a obu seja wabo ade papa de gu eye wade papa bi so akesu yew kase nyansani na wade no mizo ne 5G no 0246270221 0246270221 enyina we so ne na ho kakramra
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Afuyi afuye na saduru hobi mu eti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe uba yusu ana esanse afra se fertilizer woto ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nsodoso e ma woboka ene atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ayuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton ya yoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yekina ho Ghana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brocho
Kwaku afeina mebeko menkrata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti akwentu ayefo opese otu kwan kosiade a Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure kwan wo Kumasi Asafo Labor runabout kwa Accra nso omo Carnation First Light Tama omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station from ahomatrofo iso 055-555-0067 ana 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Akituapa.
Ozanfo esa so mama kwa babio yentu ansam no so emfa emama ababeto dwa ewo mfimfin mantem se Ghana National College yese abemu bi a wo osuade wo sukuu num afrimu ya mabesine ase de nam so ma akwada ne frimu no akwakọ emprekoto so abusia no ko Ghana Education Service mpenimfo atena yeso mo kwakọ busemu a mpenimfo nya asempapa bi a enka emfa enkyere wunum akwada ya ye ka ne ho asemi ye frɛ ne eye tie floss ansa wadi mfie du nwotwe 18 years ya na osuade o Ghana National College ya ewo mfimfin mantem enam so emekọ bi e from say Child Rights International mpenimfo akọ abusiafo ne naso akọ se abusia ne bo se kwan bia ombefa so abo abusia no ama kwane a enam so mo ba ne omo nanane akoda keto no efrimu osuku num no yehunu na obi bia onimu bia mrane na die no omo ebefa so openi Kenneth Kwashi operations manager ema Child Rights International.
Yeti asem no yedunjuma sano so adabatu yedim so yemboa nti ye baha ye ba na ebusama ebedi ko kakra afa de esi ho na yeso ye hwe o yafimu no de befi ni abo abusuama de se esi a ibiku ayeso eye eduma bo amofra no ese yetutu anamo na fofo hu se yesa ye din da so keke se ye bo amofra na hu hie nti na ye boss smile se ye mbra na ye busama ebedu ko bo na ye hwe da esi biti yare that say da bo amofra na ye busama aya se fem se obeda so bia no tabati say abofra bia wo school bu yeko ma yesi malaria ne ko abofra no ano eya ye ye say aban say mo tu ni ko ni fo be ya na ye ko school ne hwe sick days na wo hono and the kind of nurses are more omoma monitor so intensive in our schools be ya yes and dan say school ni bia san akip
Abziafo na no si ya ena era Lucy Kwenu soso ejira busuana nemo edi amane ebo Child Rights International mpenimfo.
Okay, for the Abastan Bofi Child Rights International Philos ne we are the Sompa teachers for Ghana National College in Tina Wobay. You done one. That was for Baka. That's a maybe man. Only tea na the pay Wobay. Just summon, what's our summon, Obizich. No one so I am show. I'm a woman, Shazam. When you can say what can you come to there's a Watson, once you obey me to go. Now I'm a more be a yatsi. Her partner was summoning Ozikan on days. Sanoquana days of a maybe say and basic. Sanoquan days are not chef a boo while. It was able to waste so day. Why can acquire the way with the one from 1 year? It was share than from Chawan. That was an old age. Can you never want one could ye? I shall find out the show there. I've been all compensated family because all your Zimmerman as a core away from then that's a lawyer because we're a very clever boy. Ya catch on one cat you know result in school. Now one cat one phone to no one share. None charge should they be dashing and saying she or you're paying or child driving until you pay. So what done or daisy. Emma one queen, it be no one son, no man down. First one you 2 house masters. Second one you invigilators. One invigilated a Monday. Headmaster. That's one interdict one. No one be someone as a man on daisy.
Observant we eye busuon modese ne akwada tie floss ansa usuade wo Ghana National College of Free mu ya ɛna yɛte wɔ no mo ɛnkan afei yɛmfa kaseɛ ne nkɔnkɔ wie wɔ yɛakyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no ɔmo kyerɛ deɛ ɛwɔ yɛ teacher training colleges no mu na ɛyɛ manimusɛm sisi ɔmo wɔ fie bɛɛ na wɔtwe nso nie 7 weeks ne ɛna ɔmo ɛde atena fie na baabi aduro de kyɛ sɛ ɔmo koko sɛ tie ne woka deɛ a ɔmo de ɔmo sɛ yiram apetampe ne ɔmo gye a ɛne sɛ ɔmo nsa bɛka ɔmo akatua ɛne ho nwanamo a ɔmo ɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ ɔmo nsa bɛka na ɔpɛne Prince of Benhima ɛna ɛyɛ president a ɔda kyekyefoɔ nyina ɔmo ku batan no ɔne ɔman hene yɛdo bu akyɛ de nkɔma kyekyeре mu so ɔmo de agreement no a ɔmo ɛne aban yɛ a National Labour Commission mpanimfoɔ yɛ adanseɛ wɔ ho no ɛno ana ɔmo atwe ne mu sɛ aban de ne nsa bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɔde ne nsa hyɛ aseɛ nnɛ adeɛ kye ya ɔmo bɛsa so akɔ adwuma no ɔmo akɔ akɔkyerɛ nkwala na deɛ enkosi sa aban ɛbɛsesan sa nkrataa no ɔmo tena fie a aban pa ontu ɔmo kɔpɛ so a when wɔntua wɔn ka te sɛ ne wɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ bosomi wɔntua ɔmo ka no.
The document has been signed, got signed and then was sent to me over the weekend, but unfortunately I had traveled to my village. So I got back to the office this morning, had it fully downloaded. We have actually sent somebody to follow up for the original copy apart from the scanned copy that was sent to us so we can authenticate. And we are going into the much awaited council meeting tomorrow. That is if we are certain that the document we have is very genuine and inconsistent with our position and what I said when we came out from the meeting. We said that the government through the Ministry of Education and other assigns of government demonstrated goodwill. We're waiting for the finance minister to commit herself and himself to the document and the fair way. Things that have been done. We will go into the council meeting, brief council and speak to the document. So the council will take a decision that will reflect the collective interest of the association, taking into consideration the situation on the ground, the students, our welfare, the nation, and will come out with a collective.
For Penny Prince of Benhima and yet in Kayana will sooner be in some Baba no de Baba Somonia de Mosiania, sorry, I'm a some pancomo asumato asumide, and then an ayabo Malibia Boga.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me and Nano may be say cry so quite brutal.
Kwaku, afraid I'm a beko. Menkata cranny.
Hey, and you make connection man for Dinko for sick when you're telling Musan.
Oh, Express Group Adarumenti, according to IF4. Opeso to Kwankosiadia, Express Group do become mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Swa. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. More person to Kwankoye Jumansu, obets Midowako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra.